Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, first of all, I want to say excuse myself for being so neglected, but the heck with it. I just had to do the driveway to pass the snow blower, and it's incredible since the last few days. Just 2 days ago we had a lot of rain, and now we had a lot of snow. We had to do the snow blower 2 times in the same day because it was crazy. I think we had almost 2 feet of snow, if not more. And just between 24 hours, we had a difference of 40 degrees Fahrenheit, Celsius. Can you imagine 40 degrees difference in just 24 hours? I think we never saw that. I don't know what people think out there that they say there's no problem with the weather, but I think something is very wrong with that. We never saw that before. Well, anyway guys, it is the best time to think about something else than the white shit. So this time we're going to do another painting with acrylic and ink, but we're going to put a twist on it. Always, well, not always, but the few times we did it before, we did put some silicone and we did put Floetrol. This time I won't put nothing on it. I will put only water to mix our acrylic with, to be more fluid. Then I'm going to do a flip cup, and I'm going to put my ink over it to do some sort of you know, some space looking thing, you know, but it's going to be an abstract, so I'm not going to try to reproduce the space. So we're going to try it, we're going to see how it goes, so let's go and try this. guys, well, by George, I think we got it. So anyway, I think it's a nice result. It wasn't quite what I expected. I think to achieve what I wanted exactly, I had to put almost only white acrylic to do my mix. But either way, it's a nice interpretation. There's a lot of yellow in it, but I think you can say that it's because the sun is nearby, or there's some kind of explosion, a star explosion, something like that. So anyway, guys, it's like always, it's like we said before, it's subjective, to each his own, but I think it's a nice interpretation of what space could be as an abstract. So I think it's nice. I think it's a nice way to go about it. And like always, guys, don't be afraid to try it, because you have to dedramatize. Wow, that was a hard one for me. So you have to go at it. You have to let yourself go and try it, because it's not that much expensive, and you have to try it if you want to know. So that's why I don't give the exact quantity of what I do, because it's impossible to reproduce the same thing twice in dirty pour. So I think that's one of the reasons you have to try. You have the basis of it, but the basis is, well, you have to go at it and try it, that's for sure. So guys, anyway, I hope you liked it, and like before, please come back, and thank you for coming over and over. I hope to see you back soon. So like always, guys, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys.